was too hot to sleep. That's why we kind of got out of there pretty quick. We've got a month to drive from Oregon to Massachusetts to make it back in time for our friend's wedding. We're Emily and Ryan, and we've been living and traveling in our van for the last 20 months. Hop in as we go state by state, trying out the quintessential foods, competing against each other, and rolling around on skateboards.
Oh, pole jam.
Pole jam! Got it. On the cam. Okay, we are in Boise, Idaho.
Yes, we are.
And we are headed to Westside Drive-in for some finger steaks. Earlier today, we drove to Boise and we went to a big skate park underneath a bridge. It was really hot. And then once he was warmed up, we went to a skate spot, which was at a church. And you got your trick pretty quick. I was impressed.
Yeah, there's always good spots at churches. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah, it's like a thing.
Oh, but then, oh gosh, I totally forgot. Then after that, we went to the art museum.
Yeah, the BAM.
The BAM, the Boise Art Museum, the BAM, as the locals call it. And then, where'd we go after that? I'm looking at you.
Oh yeah, we went to the bookstore.
We went to a really lovely family-owned bookstore called
Rediscovered.
Rediscovered Bookshops. I knew it started with re, but I didn't know what. And now we're here, on our way to get finger steaks. We are trying to get a quintessential food in every state we're going to. When I was, seeing what are the things we should do while we're in Boise, everyone just kept saying finger steaks.
What is a finger steak?
It sounds like, chicken fingers. It's like that, but with steak strips.
It's deep fried steak strips instead of deep fried chicken.
Yeah, I think so.
That sounds awesome.
Well, we'll find out. We'll see what the deal is. But that's where we're going. That's what we're gonna eat. And I'm starving. I'm Marvin.
Oh man.
Good morning.
I'm really tired.
I slept like a dream.
I did not.
It might have been my fault.
We're in Jackson, Wyoming. We left Idaho last night. We spent 36 hours in Idaho, maybe a little less. It was 100 degrees almost the whole time we were there.
It was too hot to sleep. That's why we kind of got out of there pretty quick.
Yeah, the first night, I think we laid down to go to sleep and it was still 90 degrees out at 9:30, 10 o'clock, and we did not want to do that again. Yesterday we skated the Idaho Falls Skatepark on the way. And so 9 years ago when I moved cross country to drive to California, I skated the Idaho Falls Skatepark.
Ooh, throwback.
And now I'm moving back.
Do you feel like you're so much better?
Maybe, yeah. I mean, I am better.
Oh.
We went down to the river for a little bit, had a windy time by the river. You did some painting.
Some drawing painting. Yeah, we would have gotten in, but it was really windy. So it was actually just nice to sit in the shade and look at the water. That's what I did.
Then we went bowling. I kicked your butt.
I bowled the two best games of my life, probably. What?
No, you did well. Games 1 and 3 were competitive. Game 2, I had a pretty good game.
Yeah, but I also had a pretty good game.
Yes, you did. You did.
I might have scored higher on that game than the third one.
Yeah.
So,
I think you did. You did. You had great games. Great bowling from Emily. Still
decent bowling from Ryan.
Our running competitive scores now tied 1-1. Emily won pickleball in Oregon and I won bowling in Idaho.
What will Wyoming bring?
I got a street clip in Idaho, so my streak is alive. I've gotten 2 street skateboarding clips in 2 states so far. We also got some finger steaks.
From a Guys, Dives, Diners, and Drive-ins.
Yeah, Triple D, a Triple D spot.
Triple D.
And now we are in Jackson, about to go into the library in a wonderful mountain setting.
Yeah, for a work day.
Work
day. Time to be on our computers. That's all for now.
That's all for now.
Put her there. Oh, we were supposed to do our handshake.
We don't have it. Put her there.
No, we were just going to do that at the end of every single one, I thought.
Okay, let's do a real good one.
Okay. Huh? I'm going to do a new close. Well, now we're headed into the library. Ready?
Put her there.
I'm going home.
Come on.
I'm going home.
Give me one good handshake.